to the question game. We got a 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille convertible sitting on some 24's, baby. Woo. By the looks of it, man, looks like somebody started a project and looked like they gave up. Can't tell you if they ran out of money, or can't tell you if they just were like, hey, there's nothing else I can really do for it. Down here, looks like it's a lot of bondo down there. It is too. That's a lot of bondo. Man. Boy, it is really windy out here, guys. Really is. Man, this side right here ain't too bad. It's not too bad at all. I mean, everything's still all original in this baby. That dash, it could use a little love. What we got here? Got the old AM, FM. Yes, sir. Boy, this baby right here, she is missing a whole lot. It's a lot of money. It takes a lot of money to put some of these babies right here together. Oh, we got a whole bunch of rotting away going on right there. Jesus. I mean, so far, it's okay. I mean, she still don't have a lot of points. I mean, I know the convertible is probably destroyed and done for. This baby right here, man, she's about long as a boat. Good God almighty. Ain't nothing about from that trunk there. Baby right there, pretty clean on the inside. Yeah, she's missing her skirts too. I'm surprised these babies right here done held on these tail lights for real. The trunk lid don't look too bad of a shape. The bumper doesn't either, looks pretty good. Side right here, it's okay. But look like somebody jacked me for a rim. This side of the interior, this side here is just destroyed. Yeah, that floor really starting to rust away big time on this side here. Side of the door is alright. But damn, I sure can tell you, man, them babies right there, they sure do weigh a ton. So I guess it looked like they started some sanding on this side over here. At least the front grille is still intact, still looks pretty good. Let's see what we got up under here. We got a 472 right up under there. Man, I gotta hold this hood up, guys. This sucker right here is heavy. Man. Look like she's missing some things on there. Carburetor. A few other little things. Ooh, that baby is heavy. God. Well, they don't make them like this anymore. Sure is a shame. What's up, y'all? It's about that time, man. For real, it's about that time, man. Yeah, because my partner, Ayo, he was like, gee, man, we're going to go ahead and crush it. I said, all right, man. I said, all right, we're going to crush it, then. Then he come back 5 minutes later like, dog, I want to change my mind. I said, nah, it's too late now, man. You can't change your mind no more now. This baby right here, she mine's now, y'all. She is mine's now. Oh, golly. Man. So far in my crushing career, I've only crushed 2 of these Cadillacs right here. At least 2 of the convertibles. I think one of them was like a 72, I believe, or something like that. I believe that it was. Y'all want to see something else? 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. That black one sitting right there. It's gonna be going sometime either this week or next week. He already done gave me the okay on that baby already. Let's go ahead and send this baby on up there. So I gotta get ready to cut a lot of stuff at the bottom and go ahead and yank out this motor real quick like. Boy. Woo, man, she's a boat, boy. So this is what this baby look like now after we done took all the parts off of it. The trunk lid is gone now. One of the fenders wasn't no good, so we threw it back in the car. The hood is gone. Both of the eyes are gone. The grill is gone. As you can see, the motor is gone. This side of the fender was the best one. The other side was pretty bad. And here's the motor right here. That baby got a long tail on it. Trunk lid, one of the fenders. There go the big old hood right there, baby.